Hello, my name is Janet. I'm going to present my fitness and skill project. I can play soccer now, but I could when I was younger. My sister can play basketball. Food, the food she chooses to dance very well. My sister could dance very well when she was young. I go I go to the gym once a week and do yoga in the morning. I run every Sunday morning. I have to stretch before exercise, but I don't have to go to the gym every day. I like sport like soccer and basketball. My legs and arms get tired after training. That's my routine and skill.